Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will be putting together these Craftsman 2000 series 28-inch wall-mounted cabinets here in my shop. As you can see here, I've done a little bit more to the shop since I last made a full video on it. I still have plenty left to do, but I'm finishing out the walls, giving it that kind of classic farm look. All this old sheet metal here actually came from the dairy barn that was once here. Put some tongue and groove boards up here on the outside of my office, lofted this setup here, and on this section of wall I have 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood, and I have attached, nailed some of this reclaimed pallet wood here along the wall, just to kind of again give it that kind of a vintage classic aesthetic in here. And as you can see here, the metal kind of continues on. Got my 2-post lift. But I obviously, with all this stuff that I have here, including all those car parts up there, I need some storage space for, tools, and I've got plenty of toolboxes, but I wanted some wall-mounted cabinets, just to put some, small things like shop repair manuals, or rather repair manuals for the vehicles, cans of paint. I've got in here I've got all my some stuff that for like automotive painting and stuff like that, and masks. I just wanted a clean solution to mount up onto the wall here. And the way I'm going to be installing this is, since this is not a traditional studded wall, all of these are screwed to the C-purlin here via some screws. I'm going to be using Craftsman's VersaTrack system here. It's just a basically kind of like a French cleat system that will mount to that top C-purlin up there, and will allow me to, again with these kind of hooks, attach the cabinets onto there that way. But yeah, I've got 2 of them here. I've already got them pre-built, and over here in this box I've got the last cabinet. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, show you how to put this together, get this put together, and then I'll hang it up on the wall. All right guys, I have everything laid out here so I can show you how to put the cabinet together. It obviously comes with the hardware to put it together. It also comes with a Allen key. You can do most of the install with just the Allen key, but you will need a 7/16 socket to finish out tightening the carriage bolts around the cabinet. But otherwise, it's a pretty easy and pretty quick install. The first step we're going to do is put together the back panel, and there's 2 holes in the center of this ridge here. You just line up each ridge together and you bolt those 2 together. So we'll get started. All right, the next thing we're going to do is attach these sides. So got these button head screws. It's the ones that you're going to use the Allen key with. And then these 2 center holes on each side, I'll just kind of lift this up and put one of these screws through here. Like so. And then we'll take our side panel here, and the side with the slots, each side is pretty much ambidextrous. It can be used for either side, but you're going to want, whichever side you end up picking, you're going to use the sides with the slots will go towards the back of to the back panel of the cabinet here. So it's just as easy as that. And again, we're just going to finger tight everything for now. We'll come back later and tighten it down when we're all said and done. But just screw this on here. I'm doing the same thing on the other side here. Again, just putting those button head screws underneath the black back panel and just dropping this onto here. And then just finger tight, just tightening everything down. That way we can make adjustments later. All right, so next we're gonna put on the bottom panel. You'll notice the bottom panel because it doesn't have the Craftsman logo on it. It also has this round hole at the bottom there. I went ahead and put this rubber grommet in there. So we're just gonna go ahead and this will slide in here like so. And you're gonna want the left and right sides of the cabinet will kind of overlap and go on top. We'll just get underneath it again and stick our screws through here. And just again, hand tight. Okay, while I'm here on the bottom, I'm just going to go ahead and put these carriage bolts right here. You'll have to put a washer on the inside. While we're still down here on the bottom, there's one hole on each side. Just gonna finish it off by putting a butt head screw and a nut on here. And that'll pretty much finish out the bottom before we need to tighten it here in a little bit. All right, before we put the top on, we're gonna wanna drop the shelf in here. I'm gonna put it on this second notch down here, so it'll just kind of slide down in here, and then I can use the carriage bolts to bolt it in. All right, now I'm just gonna install the top. Fits on the same way. You want these to go on the outside. Kind of just fits down like so. All right, since I'm using the VersaTrack system, I'm going to install this bracket on the back. The hook side right here will go on top and this flat side's on the bottom. I'll have to remove these real quick because it mounts in these holes. I forgot that you have to switch holes, but I'll loosen those up real quick and put this on. All right, before I put the doors on, I'm gonna go around and tighten up all these bolts, get everything kind of snugged down. Ready, sync? All right, I forgot to mention, since I'm using the VersaTrack system, you have to kind of block it off, and it comes with this little 1-inch foam block that you just stick to the back. It says in the instructions to stick it as close to center as possible, and of course I stuck it down there low. So now I'm ready to put on the doors and finish this install out. All right, for the doors, the door with the hole in the bottom for the lock is going to be your right door. There's just some hinges here, obviously, and you use these little black self-tapping screws that have these already have these pre-drilled holes here into the sheet metal, and you just line them up slowly and gently so you don't bend anything, and that's how we put the doors on. Try that again. All right, to finish things off, it comes with this little magnet with a little adhesive backing to it. Just gonna stick it there, and there you go. There you have it. Ensures the door is shut. And with that, we've got the cabinet together. All right, guys, got the cabinets put together. Wasn't too bad. Only took about 25 to 30 minutes per cabinet to put together. And of course, as you saw, I affixed the VersaTrack to the C-purlin into the wood on this wall here. But yeah, these will be nice to put some of my extra tools and stuff in, and the nice thing is they have holes already cut in the bottom of them, so I'll probably end up putting some of my power tools chargers in here. I'll have to kind of figure out what I want to put in here, but I definitely wanted some cabinet space here just to get, help with storage. You never have enough. Obviously I still have to cut some of the pallet wood out and finish out this wall. I was kind of waiting until I got these put up so I knew how much more I needed. And then like these spots here, I'm gonna have to obviously use, either put them on my bandsaw or put them on the table saw and cut them to size. But yeah, so that's my little install video for the day. Hope you liked it, hope it helped you out. And so far, I think these cabinets will be a good addition to the shop. Only thing I may add, I may get another magnet and put it here so that this door kind of stays more secure. So if you only just want to open up this one, you can without this one kind of flopping open. But yeah, they seem like pretty good quality. So hopefully my install video helped. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't, because I've got plenty of videos, especially on that Bronco and on that BMW. Now that I'm getting close to getting the shop done, Going to be doing a lot to those as well. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.